On this video, we will be unboxing Hellish Blizzard from One Punch Man, as well as her sister Terrible Tornado. These are from the Espresto Point figure series. Alright, let's start with Hellish Blizzard. You will need to cut the cardboard open to get Blizzard out of the box. Take out the body, 2 arms and stand. That's arms that will be aimed upwards. Attach the leg to the stand. Take Tornado out of the box. You will need to cut the cardboard as well. Take out Tornado and the stands. Attach her to the base. Here we have Terrible Tornado Espresto Point and Hellish Blizzard Espresto Point, both ready to attack. Let's have a closer look at Blizzard. Details on the hair. Eyes are looking great too. The necklace is a great addition. The hand and waist top with details here. But you can see the stems on the arms and the waist. Plain finish on the clothes. Very great movement in the dress with plain boots with some nice folds on it. Blizzard has a great pose with great movement. Onto Terrible Tornado. Very nice details on the eyes. Great shape in the hair. Though the green looks a bit too bright. Onto the back, nice purple gradient with nice movement in the dress. You can really see where the dress attached. More purple gradient on the front as well. You can see the stem line on the arm and the dress. The flow of the dress doesn't really stay in place, so it doesn't really match to how cool the picture looks on the box. Good sling tone with a great pose on the leg with heel lift up with the base. Tornado, you can also see a lot of stem lines, but it still looks good when you look from afar. Let's compare the two. They're about similar heights. Both have nice poses that matches the show. It is still nice to display these together. The hair sculpt looks great, as well as the face sculpt. If these were just one piece, I think they would have turned out a lot better. You can really clearly see the stem lines. While it's really cool to have figures of these two characters from One Punch Man, the finishes on it, the stem lines and the overall color finish on it, make this more eyebrows for now. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.